Today is Monday, May 28th. The time is 9:08 p.m. This is MemMan 101. This is the 2011 Panini Prime Signatures football break, break number 7. Good luck, everybody. First card, Green Bay Packers, Brett Favre, serial numbered 118 out of 499. Next for the New England Patriots, Tom Brady, serial number 244 out of 499. We have a redemption. First we will do Eric Dickerson, Rams, serial number 330 out of 499. And the redemption is for Rookie Signature Platinum, card number 178. Let me look that up on the checklist. Rookie Signature 178 should be Akeem Ayers. I'm not sure what team, but I will put that in with the link for the break. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for 2011 football, I have Panini Gold Standard, Panini Crown Royale, another Panini Prime Signatures, a Panini Certified, and a Top Supreme. For 2010 football, I have Crown Royale. For Major League Baseball, I have Topps Tier 1, and I will be listing more breaks towards the end of the week.